girl last night. Body big man, I just saw whap it on. Yo, the girl body big man, you. Should I see the body? If you see the body, you would like it. You would say, yeah. You know you like big body girl. Right?
The last week I had a girl, her culo was so big, man, his tetas, everything. She had all the toys, but had it like just and tetas, everything, but
nah, we should have said the girl me have last time. Just take the girl me, just bend her over, somebody just jump on me, whap it. So
yeah, chica, mira eso,
Bombo clat. Hey, hold on, no, baby. Oh, hey. What's your name, baby? Eh? What's your name?
What's your name?
Your sex. No, what is your name?
What's the name?
I'll tell you her name. Her name is My Girl. That's what her name is. Oh, your skin smoothie, man. How I use cocoa butter upon this?
Yeah, I actually do. What's going on?
Stop on talking, you know?
Wait, how old are you? Wait, mama.
No, she's old enough. Come talk to me now.
I have the new iPhone. I have an app for my love for you.
So what?
What?
So, see these shoes, yeah?
Yeah.
Jordans, this, you know.
So
Come to
what?
my house.
Name brand thing, this, you know.
Come to my house. Mi casa, tu casa,
No,
mami.
no,
I'll make you some nice quesadillas,
What?
burritos,
I
tacos.
don't
You
understand.
have Jamaican daggering all night?
No.
Lionel Richie all night, you get, you know.
Mami, you ever been with a Latin lover? No?
I not do that, Jamaican man not do that, but straight daggering all night,
Mami,
you get.
they're soft. They say, I can do all night. Don't tell me you don't like that.
Jamaican man strong, you know, daggering all night.
Hey, mami, tú eres tan linda que la luz de la luna está celosa de ti.
Yo, me have lyrics too, you know. Your pum pum, it's like a Bible.
What?
If it open up,
No.
it'll say heaven.
No.
No? So, but wait, man, I'm not done yet.
Not with me, he's whack. I say,
No, them call me Mr. Boombastic. Pum pum fantastic, that's how I do it. See,
What?
see me, baby.
they call me a Latin lover. I'm known around here.
Oh yeah.
This is my hood.
Immigration that?
Well, that's immigration homes. I gotta get going, eh?
Hey, Peace man, call me. Yes, see me, so callaloo, right? It's a very exotic dish. Only the top chefs of Jamaica can make this dish, you know. But for you, Siri.
Wagwan.
Siri, you have a boyfriend? Eh?
Man is not a issue, cause my pum pum turn up.